If you need to remove a card from your Public 2026 account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Public 2026 website or app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to your portfolio. Once logged in, go to your portfolio section where all your cards and investments are displayed. Step 3. Select the card to remove. Find the specific card you wish to remove from your portfolio. Click on it to view more details. Step 4. Access card options. Look for an options menu or settings icon associated with the selected card. This is typically represented by 3 dots or a gear icon. Step 5. Confirm removal. Choose the option to remove or delete the card. You may be prompted to confirm your decision, so follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the removal. By following these steps, you can successfully remove a card from your Public 2026 account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.